Nifanyia mambo.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to my channel. For my new viewers, please consider subscribing. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much guys for your support. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to make some mandazi. Kule kwetu kwa tunaita mahamri. Stay tuned, watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Yeah,
I'll be using this self-raising for mandazi. There is sugar. I'll use sugar. Oil. Kama use self-raising, you can use your yeast. You can use your instant dry yeast or baking powder. So stay tuned and let's make our mandazi. This is how my mandazi turned out. Sijaitumia this self-raising kwa mandazi, but hey, no. Okay, unaweza jaribu lakini mimi naona mzuri sana ni kwa cake. Hapa naona imenifanyia mambo, but yeah, that's how you do it. Jaribu kutumia tu the normal flour, the wheat flour, utumie yeast or baking powder. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to another video next time. Bye.